On a few occasions, I've found a sharp metallic click in a recording that will occur at random points. There isn't anything in the VO room that would produce such a noise, and I've been careful to control what I do with my hands. In spite of that, this pesky sound intrudes and demands to be heard. Okay, now I got some sounds that are unknown. Some of these have only happened once or twice. One of them has happened many times. And absolutely just makes no sense. All right, so the first one is a metallic click. To dishonor their own bodies, honor their own body, honor their own, honor their own body, honor their own, honor their own. That's a very sharp metallic click. Now, the interesting thing about this recording is that in my VO room, I have a noise floor of -64. When I made this recording, there's nothing around me made out of metal. I'm not touching anything. There's no noise coming in from the outside. And I'm sitting very still in my chair. I said my chair squeaks, and it does. But I was sitting there, and I have a tendency to get a little bit animated with my arms, and I wasn't even moving my arms. I was actually holding my hands together so that I wouldn't wave my arms or hit anything. I've actually waved my arms and hit the microphone. Probably everybody's done that. And of course that messes everything up. This makes no sense. This is a very sharp, metallic, something like somebody's taking a piece of metal and tapping another piece of metal or something. So, okay, so that's that one.